mini V-brakes would have gotten them into my house on Saturday. They did not. I was pissed. So we'll deal with 3 data sets instead of 4. It's less typing for you guys anyway. It's like, thank God. Please, enough. So this is a revisiting of a problem we attacked a couple weeks ago, which was I had a cyclocross. I almost died a number of times on that bicycle. I mean, it's one of those things. You ride enough, crap happens. Just like you drive enough, crap happens. I wish no one ill, of course. But it's a Poisson distribution. How many flat tires do you think I get in a year?
A lot.
Guess. Define a lot.
Oh,
56. 56.
10.
10.
Every 90 days.
Say that again.
One every 90
One every 90 days. That's actually damn close. One every 90 days is damn close. What's the maximum I ever got in one day?
3.
3. You've heard the story. I've told the story before. Yes, I got 3 in one day. I think it was last spring or 2 springs ago. I wanted to just throw my leg across the street and walk home and forget about it. But that was an extreme case. I have not on wood, I have not gotten one this academic year yet. I did change to a cyclocross bike this academic year. The tires are a little bit tougher. I'm guessing that might be it. Just jinxed myself, of course. Because I did skid quite a bit yesterday avoiding that damn car. I probably put a nice big bald patch in the back tire, but whatever. But there are certain freakish events that are going to happen. So I've laid the bike down a number of times, and I had that big crash in where I effed up my rotator cuff. But the brakes, I mean, thank God for my brakes yesterday. Because they're the only reason I didn't go across the hood of that car. That and the fact that I kind of saw what was happening from 100 feet back, and I started to react to it then. And then I started swearing while I was braking, which is fun too. Anyway, so these are the brakes I got rid of right away. These are the cantilever brakes. I had a hard time with these on trails. I kept laying the bike down because I couldn't slow down in hairpin turns going downhill. And I added mini V-brakes, Tektro mini V-brakes, that's these guys. So this data you might remember from back in the day. This, I decided to do a little physics. Now, as I'm chit-chatting, if you guys want to start entering this into your TIs, L1, L2, L3. This might get us a jump start on what we're about to do. So L1, L2, L3. Apologies again for this. This is feet, inches. You might remember this is Max helping me do the math, turning the tape the wrong way. So since I did these in tenths and these in tenths, the way to change this to tenths, 16 plus 11 over 12. That gets the data done, yes? 16 plus 3 over 12. 15 plus 9 over 12, and so forth all the way. It changes inches to tenths of a foot. You can thank whatever king's foot we used to do that for the annoying number 12 instead of the nice number 10. So as you're entering, I'm going to give you a little bit of motivation for why we're going to look at this data. The reason linear pull brakes are, actually, you know what? I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to let you enter. I'm going to enter too. Turn the camera off, get this entered.